Now let's solve the problem. 1 plus tan²A divided by 1 plus secant A is equal to secant A. Here we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. First, let me write down the LHS. Solution. Let me write down the LHS. 1 plus tan²A divided by 1 plus secant A. Okay. 1 plus, let me write as it is. 1 plus tan²A. We know the formula. 1 plus tan²A is equal to secant²A. 1 plus tan²A is equal to secant²A. Tan²A is equal to secant²A. This plus 1, it will go this side. It will become minus 1. Therefore, tan²A, I can write it as secant²A minus 1. Tan²A, I will write it as secant²A minus 1. 1, if you write 1 square means also the value does not change, right? You can write it as secant²A minus 1 square. No problem, because the value of 1 does not change. Divided by 1 plus secant A. Okay. Now, observe this one. It is in the form of A square minus B square, right? Okay. Now, let me write this 1 plus as it is secant²A minus 1 square. It is in the form of A square minus B square. We know the formula. A plus B into A minus B. Here we have secant²A minus 1 square. Therefore, in the place of A square, we have secant²A. Therefore, A, what it will become? Secant A. Plus, in the place of B square, we have 1 square. B, it will become 1. Secant A plus 1 into secant A minus 1. Therefore, this one, secant²A minus 1 square, can be written as secant A plus 1 into secant A minus 1. Secant A plus 1 into secant A minus 1 divided by 1 plus secant A. 1 plus secant A. See here, this one and this one, they will get cancelled. Because for secant A plus sign is there, for 1 plus sign. Here also 1, it has plus sign. Secant A, it has plus sign. Means both are same. Right? Therefore, this one and this one, they will get cancelled. What is left? 1 plus secant A minus 1. See here. 1 plus into plus. It will become plus secant A. Plus into minus. Minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1, it will get cancelled. What is left? Secant A. That is what our RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.